So let's have our feet hip distance apart, roll through the shoulders. And then as you inhale, reach your arms out to the side, all the way over the head. And then exhale as you lower the arms back down. Inhale as you reach the arms all the way over the head. Now if you're particularly tight, maybe not all the way over the head, just shoulder height perhaps. Exhale as you lower back down. Inhaling as you reach. And exhale as you lower. And taking the legs wide. Oh, nearly slipped. Okay, bend one knee and reaching over. Switching legs. And extending over. Whilst keeping those shoulders down and away from the ears. Reaching, so stretching through the side of the body, out through the arm. Exhale as you reach. Inhale as you come back. Don't worry if you're breathing the other way. Reaching. Draw back. And reach. And draw back. And reach. And draw back. And then maybe all the way over the head. So you're bending your left knee, right arm reaching over. And away, reaching over. And making sure that the knee doesn't go over the toe, so you don't deeply bend. If you want a deeper bend, take your feet further away. I'm not sure why I'm slipping on my mat today. If you're slipping, come off your mat or go onto a carpet instead. I don't know, my mat's never slipped, but reaching and releasing. Bend your knees, extending the arms forward and exhale away. Reaching forward and exhale away. So you can bend the legs as deep as you want, or you could keep the legs straight if you prefer. Bending and reaching. I'm going to stop bending because that's enough for me today. And once more. Good. Then inhale, reach your arms up. Bend the left knee, right knee rather, and then lower. Reaching, bending, and lower. And reaching, this time taking hold of the hands together, so palms together, reaching off to the side. Breathing down the side of the body, back to centre, other leg bending, and reaching over. Maybe taking hold of the top hand and pull it gently forward, just to create a little deeper stretch. And back to centre. And release down. Good. Bring the feet hip distance apart. And then taking the arms behind and then in front. So forming figure of eights. Behind and in front. And behind and in front. So maybe making this a bit bigger. So let's come to a side view for you. Opening and then bending. Opening and bending. So you're mobilising through the upper back, which gets incredibly tight from sitting too much. Open and bend. And once more. Good, and release, interlace your hands behind you, and as you inhale, reach the arms away, opening up through the chest, and releasing down. Bend the elbows, inhale, reach away, and exhale as you release. Taking the feet about mat width, extend the arms away, bend the knees, and extend the arms over the head. So you might look like up here if you haven't done this much. If you've practiced more, you might be a bit deeper. Doesn't matter where you are, as long as you're feeling the stretch for you. Let the head go, no tension in the head. And then rising back up, rolling out through the shoulders. Taking the weight into the left leg, taking the right foot out in front. Bend the knee, extend the arms forward, up and back down. Extend the arms forward, up and back down. So this can be quite good for if you suffer from sciatica, a form of nerve flossing. Helps to floss the nerve and just ease that sciatica a little bit. Good, rising up, switching legs. Right into the right foot, left foot out in front, bend the knee, reaching up and back down, reaching up and back down. Inhale, reach, exhale, bend. Inhale, reach, exhale, bend, and once more. Inhale, reach, and exhale, bend. And bring that back leg in. Inhale, rise the arms up, turn your palms facing up. Lift the heels if balance allows. And release back down. Release the left arm, right arm up. Bend the elbow in, palm facing up. So as though you're holding a plate on your hand. And then turn your palm facing down as you extend the arm away. Palm facing up, draw in. Palm facing down, reach away. Up, draw in, and down, reach away. Other arm, draw the hand in, palm facing up, so you're holding a plate, and palm facing down, reach. Other way, in, good. Palm facing down, reach. Palm facing up, and draw back in. Palm down, reach. Palm up, and draw in. Palm down, reach away, palm facing up, draw in, and once more. And up, and draw in, and release. Rolling out through your shoulders, giving yourself a pat on the back. Well done. So, if you enjoyed this video, give me a comment below to let me know if you enjoyed it, and I will do some other morning wake up stretches. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out, if you want to check out any other videos, I do have a YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and put in either Yoga Kancham or Sandhya Yoga Kancham. Sandhya Yoga Kancham. Hi Robin. Oh, thank you. Robin, what is the name of your company? Because I wanted to say that you set this up and I couldn't remember the name of your company. So Robin is live. Robin, what is the name? So Robin is a videographer and he's helped me set all this up, but I know there's a delay. Anyway, it will be in the comments because I'll ask him to comment below. So thank you so much everybody. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.